Here's 9 things I wish I knew about surveys before I actually started taking them. I've been taking part in online surveys for over 8 years now, and over the last year alone I've actually managed to make over £9,000 from different survey platforms. In this video I'm actually going to be showcasing the 9 things I wish I knew about surveys, so that you lot will never make the same mistakes that I did. Hey everyone, it's Dan from Sidehustle Reliance. On my channel our aim is to help the online money making community find new and exciting ways to profit using our PCs and our smartphones. No survey video will be complete without the expertise of another YouTube survey veteran. I'm talking Lazy Money UK. With our insights, you should be able to easily boost your survey earnings by over £5,000 a year. When completing surveys, there's countless survey broker sites out there, each offering different unique bonuses and different payment options, and that's why a strategy is key when doing any kind of surveys. The 3 best survey broker sites you need to actually use are Swagbucks, Free Cash and Prime Opinion, and that's because they actually offer some great bonuses if you keep using the platform frequently. Free Cash offers a 7-day streak, so if you continue to earn $1 a day, you'll actually earn a guaranteed $1.50 bonus money every single week, and then on the 7th day you can actually open a free case on the platform, which is worth up to $250. So Swagbucks offers a daily goal, and if you manage to achieve this every single day, you'll actually get some free SB which can be credited into your account on the 5th of the following month. And then on Prime Opinion, if you complete 1 survey daily, regardless of the survey value, and actually manage to keep your streak alive for 7 days, on that 7th day you can actually open a box on the platform worth up to $10. The amount you actually do get from these boxes are random, but I love the opportunity of being able to potentially earn $10 for free. I find these 3 sites are great for anyone who's new or old to the survey space. The fact that you can get bonuses for just completing surveys anyway, why not do it? And the fact that you get rewarded for just being a loyal customer, it really goes a long way. And I am actually using these platforms daily as well, because they are that good.
Build a winning persona. You'll get into more surveys by using a desirable profile. These characteristics have a high chance of qualifying.
Nancy, I know, but I'm in deep and I'm getting such good intel.
Age 25 to 45. Income of around £70,000 a year. Work in technology in case it's a business survey. Be the decision maker for your household or business. Live with your partner. Have children in different age groups, like 1 primary schooler and 1 teenager. And don't forget about your cat and dog.
You need to adapt to the pre-survey questions. So some survey providers target specific demographics such as a job role, age, or maybe number of dependents. To increase your chances of qualifying for surveys, you need to align yourself with these requirements. For example, if a survey provider says, "We're looking for someone in finance, do you work in finance?" then yes you do, and then you pivot your answers to be a financial role like a financial advisor or a financial analyst. Just make sure you actually adjust your answers accordingly and keep them consistent to avoid disqualification.
Prioritise high-value surveys. Poorly paid surveys aren't always quicker than well-paid ones. Earn more efficiently by picking out the best options. 5 surveys pays exactly £1 per survey, and you can cash out after doing 5. Swagbucks has top-tier surveys from UserZoom and user testing. Look out for the 100 SB listings, which appear from 9 AM to 6 PM. Although they say 20 minutes, they never take anywhere near that. Some of them are 1 question long. You need to be in the right place at the right time to catch the best surveys. It's smart to rotate through multiple platforms to increase your chance of finding them.
To increase your earnings even further, you need to join exclusive survey panels. The thing is, you don't have to rely on survey broker sites like Swagbucks and Free Cash. There's certain panels out there which will send you surveys directly based on your current demographics. And the best thing is, since you're going direct, that means you'll always get a better rate for these surveys than going through a survey broker site like Swagbucks or Free Cash. Here's the 5 best exclusive survey sites that you should be using in 2025. These have low rejection rates as they're always based on your demographics. So you need to use YLive, Opinion Research, Prolific, Power of Opinions and TV Viewers. By signing up to these platforms, you'll actually gain access to regular, high-paying surveys that is tailored towards your demographics. However, when you actually do get a survey through, make sure you jump on it quickly as they do fill up pretty fast.
And it's gone.
Save your energy. Fake pre-screening questions are used to eliminate bots. This even includes unethical essay questions. Clearing the pre-screener doesn't guarantee your place in the survey, so avoid wasting energy on fake questions by doing the bare minimum to get through.
Next, when it comes to surveys, you need to make sure you stay consistent. If you provide inconsistent answers on survey routers, that could lead to your account being flagged and further disqualifications. Personally, you need to stick to the persona you created and maintain that across all platforms.
Mobile data versus Wi-Fi. The same surveys appear on multiple platforms, but they track your IP address to prevent re-entry. Switching internet connections helps you look like a different person. For example, use SurveyPop on Wi-Fi and the clone app Eureka on mobile data. This gives you a second chance to qualify or lets you reuse successful answers.
Next, you need to embrace rejections.
I don't handle rejection well.
Rejections are an inevitable part of taking surveys, whether that's due to the actual quota of the survey being reached or you not fitting the actual demographics. Just remember, do not let it get you down. Just move on to the next survey and forget about it. Unfortunately, the survey space is somewhat corrupt, with several platforms trying to find a way to disqualify you so they can get free research. So just be aware of that when you're actually completing surveys. By following these tips, you'll now be well equipped to navigate the world of online surveys. Just keep moving forward and just keep that money coming in. Big shout out to Lazy Money UK for appearing in this video. His link is in the description. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, I'll be greatly appreciated. On screen right now is my 2 newest videos, and I'll catch you guys real soon.